Hi guys, this is Scott here at Gresham Toyota, and today I'm going to show you guys a really nice feature. It's great for when it's really cold outside, and it's also great when it's really hot outside. Today is a day where it's really hot outside, so I'm going to show you guys the how to use the heated seats and also how to use the cooling seats. And this is on a 2019 Toyota Highlander Limited. We are hashtag Gateway to Adventure, and let me show you how to use those heated cooling seats really quick. So where that the heated cooling seat button is located in the 2019 Toyota Highlander is right in the center. So I'm gonna get right in, and it's just really easy to find. The button's just right here, and right now I have it set to, if you can see it, it's set to 3, and then you can set it to 2. So the red means heat, and the blue means cool. So right now that's 1 being the least hottest, and 3 being the most hot. And so if you want to have no heated or cooling seats on, you can put it to 0. And then if you want to use the cooling seats, so it makes it really easy to heat or cool your seats depending on the weather. It's just a really great feature to have, and that's how to use the heated and cooling seat function on the Toyota Highlander. Hey, thanks for watching. This is Scott here at Gresham Toyota. If you want to learn more about the 2019 Toyota Highlander, come on by, swing by, ask for Scott. We're hashtag Gateway to Adventure. This is the 2019 Toyota Highlander Limited, and that's how to use the heated and cooling seats. Thanks so much for stopping by, and take care. Have a good day. Bye.